Good day, sir. We will discuss the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authority. The Ayala International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities buoyant system is a worldwide standard for marking channels, hazards, and other navigational features to ensure safe and efficient maritime navigation. This system uses standardized colors, shapes, lights, and top mark to provide information to seafarer about the direction, location, and nature of navigational hazards. Ayala divides the world into two regions, A and B, with slightly different standards for voyage. Ayala regions A and B. Region A is primarily includes Europe, Australia, New Zealand, Africa, the Persian Gulf, and most Asian states. Region B primarily includes the Americas, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. Region A red marks the port side when entering from sea, green marks the starboard side. Region B red mark the starboard side when returning from sea, green mark the port side. This is often remembered as red right turning for Region B.
Good day, sir. I am John Lord Bunyao. I'm going to report about the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authority. The IALA system uses several types of marks to guide mariners. Lateral marks indicate the edge of channels. They are colored and shaped differently depending on whether they mark the port or starboard side. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of safe water relative to a hazard. They are named after the four cardinal points: the north, south, east, and the west. Isolated danger marks mark isolated dangers with navigable water all around. Safe water marks indicate navigable water all around their position. Special mark indicate areas or features not related to channels or obstructions, speed restriction, mooring areas. Emergency wreck-making buoy temporarily marks newly discovered wrecks. Ensuring safety for navigation. The IALA system, with its regional variations and diverse mark types, greatly reduces ambiguity and enhances navigational safety by providing clear, consistent guidance to mariners worldwide. The system success stems from its global standardization, allowing mariners to easily interpret navigational aids regardless of their location.